Stupid bird review. Stupid bird review. Stupid bird review. So, Stupid Bird Review has returned with a new bird. Look at this guy. He's really cool. So this stupid bird, this is the Pileated Woodpecker. So he's pretty cool. He has a black body, a white spot on his wing, white sides, white cheek, with this black and red airbrushed thing. Black face with a little white spot here. It has a red crest. And a gray fabric beak. This is one of the first birds I got, actually. I got it at Duke Gardens. He's from 2016. I know the camera's not going to focus. But yeah, it's 2016. He's pretty interesting. I give this one a 7 out of 10. Pretty cool bird. I love the long tail he has and his long wings. Makes for a really good bird.